Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Brotli compression on Nginx or Caddy step by step clearly. First, ensure you have access to your Nginx or Caddy server. For Nginx, open your terminal and locate the Nginx configuration file. Typically, this file is found in the directory /etc/nginx/nginx.conf. Edit the configuration file with a text editor like Nano or Vim. Add the following lines to enable Brotli compression. You need to ensure that the Brotli module is included in your Nginx build. To do this, check your Nginx version by running Nginx v. If Brotli is not included, you might need to recompile Nginx with Brotli support. Next, if you haven't installed the Brotli module, install it using a package manager. On Ubuntu, you can run the command sudo apt-get install Brotli. Now, you should include the Brotli configuration directly in your Nginx config file. Add the Brotli on directive within the HTTP block. Set the Brotli_static directive to on if you want to serve pre-compressed files. Specify the compression level with Brotli_comp_level, which can range from 0 to 11. Add the Brotli_types directive to determine which MIME types to compress. Common types include text/HTML, text/CSS, application/JavaScript, and application/JSON. Save and close the configuration file. Now it's time to test your Nginx configuration for errors. Run the command nginx in your terminal. If the test completes successfully, restart Nginx with sudo system to restart Nginx. Now, let's move on to Caddy. Open your Caddy file for editing, typically located at /etc/caddy/caddy file. Add the following lines to enable Brotli compression. Caddy automatically supports Brotli, but you can customize the settings. You can specify the compression level and which file types to compress. To achieve specific configurations, include the encode gzip zstd Brotli directive. This allows you to compress common file types like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Save your changes to the Caddy file. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.